Imagine an IT consulting firm specializing in security and privacy, cloud and emerging technologies, software development, and program management services. Now, it sounds like 1,000 other IT companies, and you would be right. But what makes Emagine IT different? At Emagine IT, we focus on our people. When you have professional, hardworking, happy people, you have happy clients. Our strong team of skilled personnel and subject matter experts are dedicated to understanding complex business challenges and guiding organizational strategy and IT vision. We specialize in delivering innovative, cost-conscious solutions to help our commercial and government clients become high-performing organizations. So, imagine a company that does what everyone else does, but does it better. Just imagine IT.